You will love the features of this 2016 Lincoln MKX. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, remote engine start, fog lamps, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection. Smooth, sporty style was never so smart. See for yourself when you take a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.